Hi first graders, it's Miss Lee here, and today we're going to be talking about words with two O's or OO words. And these words are kind of tricky because they can make an oo sound or an sound, and we're going to talk about both of those. Okay, so today we're talking about words with two letter O's right next to each other. So these words can be kind of tricky because they can make a short sound or a long sound. So let's talk about the word soon. Okay, so I have soon. So that makes our long sound, and we can represent that long sound by putting a straight line. So if I sound this word out, I'm going to say soon. So it's making that long sound with the two O's. Okay, so we have soon, with a long sound, and the OO words can also have a short sound. Okay, so now I'm going to write the word good. G, d, g, d. Okay, so let me sound out the word good. So if I sound it out, I say g, d. So I hear a sound. So do you think that's long or short? You're right, it makes a short sound. So we have and d. So you have to really listen to that difference. Okay, first graders, so what I have here are some different OO words, and we're going to sort them together to see if they make a long oo sound. Let me hear you say oo. Good job. Or if they make a short sound. Let me hear you say Good job. Okay, the first word I'm going to start with is the word boot. So let's blend boot out together. Ready? Boot. Boot. Do you hear oo or I hear boot. So I think that makes a long sound. So I'm going to put it there. Okay, the next one let's look at is foot. Let's blend out foot together. Ready? T. Well, I don't hear oo. T. I think that's a short O sound, so I'm going to put that here. Okay, let's move on to moon. I'm going to blend out moon, and then you tell me if it's long or short. Moon. Ooh. What do you think, long or short? It's making a long double O sound because it says ooh, ooh, So I'm going to put it under the long side. Let's try broom. Okay, let's blend out broom, ooh, Do you hear ooh or ooh, I hear that ooh sound. Is that what you said? Okay, good. So I'm going to put broom over here. Okay, let's go to the other side. Let's try cook. Ready? K, k, k. I don't hear ooh, so it must be short. If we said ooh when we sounded this out, it would say k, ook. It doesn't say kook, it says cook. K, k. So that's short. Okay, let's do the word spoon. Sp, ooh, sp, ooh, I hear that ooh sound, so I'm going to put spoon under long or short? Long, good job, spoon. Okay, get ready to tell me long or short for the word book. B, k, b, k. Long or short? What do you guys think? Short. Good job. Right. Tools. Ools. I hear that ooh sound, so I'm going to put tools on the long side. Okay. Zoo. Ready? Z, ooh. I hear that ooh sound, so I'm going to put zoo under the long side. Oh, looks like we have two zoos here. Let me get rid of that one. Okay, wood. Ready? W, d, w, d. I hear that short I don't hear an ooh, so I'm going to put that one here. Okay, my last word. Let's see. Do you guys think pool is long or short? Pool. P-oo-l. Good, it makes the long double O sound. Okay, first graders, now that we have sorted all of these words together, what you're going to do next is do the Seesaw activity on your Google Doc that's right underneath this video. So when you go to Seesaw, you're going to see this assignment that says long and short OO sort Thursday, April 9th. So you're going to go to this assignment. It's on your Google Doc. Just click the link and you're going to click Add Response. Okay, and we can also view the instructions. I put the instructions here for you, so you can click play if you want to hear my voice. Hi, firsties. What I want you to do here is look at the OO words and read them and decide if they are making a long oo sound or a short sound, and sort them where they belong. If you think of more words, go ahead and add those. And finally, record yourself reading the words after you sort them. Okay, so those are the directions. So I'm going to look at these words over here and I'm going to practice sorting them. So boot, I'd put on this side. And remember, in order to click these words on Seesaw, all you have to do is click this label button right here. That'll let you make a new label. But it'll also allow you to click on other labels. So, boot, foot. I'm just going to do those two. But what you can also do here is you can take the drawing tool and you can write your own words. So make sure you do that. I love to see what other words you can come up with. And you can also use the microphone tool to record yourself reading the words at the end. When you're all done, click the green check. If the green check doesn't show up, boys and girls, it's okay. Just take a picture to send to your teacher or just move on. Okay, first graders, I've enjoyed being with you today. I hope you enjoyed learning the difference between the long OO and the short OO sound. Have a great day.